Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is November 25th, and this is a new release of the daily wave review of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from TradeHub. And we'll start with a pair of euro-dollar. Let's take a closer look at the chart. Since the beginning of November, we have waves 1 and 2, where wave 2 is obviously taking form of a zigzag A, B, and C, which speaks us in favor of purchases. Then we got waves 1 and 2 of smaller degree, where wave 2 take form of a flat A, B, and C. And then we had to get the price acceleration in an upward direction within the third wave. And we are growing, but I don't really like the structure of this upward movement, so be careful. There are also options with extensions at smaller degrees that also tells us about purchases. In general, I expect continuation of growth. The invalidation level of this bullish option is marked on the chart, so the stop loss can be moved below this level. As for the franc dollar, the situation is getting more complicated. It looks like we got the leading diagonal in with the first wave, and after correction in wave 2, I expected a continuation of decline. British pound dollar. For the pound, I show you one of the options, which may soon become the main one. Now there is a series of zigzags. It seems that all this impulse takes form of a leading diagonal or in form of ending diagonal. Therefore, you must be careful, since in the case of the formation of the ending diagonal, the fifth wave are often truncated and may not interrupt the top of the third wave. For the Canadian dollar, everything is going according to our plan. The price continues to decline within the wave C of 5 of the ending diagonal. As for the dollar Japanese yen, we got a rebound from the 78% of Fibonacci level. It looks like an impulse, but I'm still out of the market. There are currently no entries here. Australian dollar is expected to rise within the waves 3 of 3. The invalidation level of this option is marked on the chart. As for WTI crude oil, everything is going according to our plan. Wave 5 extends, and I think some growth will continue, after which a correction will bring the price in the area of $40 per barrel. S&P. As we expected before, after the formation of the triangle in wave B, we get growth. The invalidation level of this option is at the end of wave B and is marked on the chart. Gold. Let me remind you that for gold we expected a decline in price being still at this point. We only expected an exit down through the triangle, not a zigzag, so we left ourselves without deals. At the moment I suppose that the decline is not over yet. We received only wave 3 in these impulse, and the decline will continue. It is dangerous to sell now and too early to buy. I am out of the market. And the last for the day, Bitcoin. After the triangle in wave 4, I assume the development of wave 5. Therefore, the mark of 20,000 in the near future is quite achievable. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you tomorrow.